You, it's your boy, man. What go out with it? You feel me? Today's Wednesday, you feel me? Today's Wednesday, top of the morning right now, you feel me? Trying to win the morning, that's what I'm trying to do, man. So I'm gonna hit the gym. After I hit the gym, we're gonna look at the chart like always, you get me? Like I always say, man, if you win the morning, you get to conquer the day, man. So that's what I'm trying to do. You, we're back at it again, you get me? Today is Wednesday. Looking at gold right now, 1 hour time frame. Right now the time is 7:16 p.m. You get me? We didn't take any trade today. Reason being, I thought it was CPI today, bruh. Whole time CPI it was yesterday. No wonder why this trade knocked us out yesterday, bruh. Because it was CPI, bruh. But it's cool though, you get me? I didn't trade thinking it was CPI. I didn't look at the market in the morning. I didn't look at the calendar. I only look at the calendar on Sunday, so I looked it on Sunday and I thought it was say Wednesday instead of Tuesday. You get me? So it's Tuesday and the PPS tomorrow, which is Thursday instead of Friday. You feel me? I looked it all wrong again, but it's okay though. So I'm just gonna review this how the day traded. You get me? Still trading here, of course, but I'm just gonna review so far how the day traded. You get me? If I was gonna catch a setup or whatnot. So basically, what I'm seeing here on the 1 hour, we have previous day high, as you can see here, PDH and market midnight open here, where the New York midnight open. You feel me? And we have a previous day low here. You get me? PD low. So what happened? Initially, the price opened here, created a wick. I was going below. You get me? Then going above, as you can see, we have a what you call this rejection, not a rejection, a fair value gap. My bad. We have a 1 hour fair value gap here. You get me? Okay, let me extend this real quick. Have a 1 hour fair value gap here, which price entered inside this fair value gap. Once it entered here, it's either we were gonna go to the 15 minutes or the 5, or we were gonna wait for this candle to close and we're gonna place our entry here. Stop loss was gonna be here. You get me? But let's go to the 15 and see what we have, what the 15 would have shown us. Yeah, as you can see, the 15 would have came inside here, rejected here, not this one, sorry, they rejected here, but give us a confirmation here. So our entry was gonna be way above here. You get me? Or let's go to the 5 and see if in the 5 was gonna see a proper entry, because I don't like to enter on a long rejection. You get me? Similar to the 5, our entry will be here once it break above this high. You see, that's what it was gonna be, this one, or I was gonna wait for that 15 minutes one. Let's go to the 15. You feel me? Because I prefer to take my entry on the 15, like on the. So basically, it was gonna be here. If I was to enter today game, it was gonna be here. Once this closes, once this candle closes, it's gonna be here. Stop loss was gonna be below this because it's already a large candle. I wasn't gonna place it below here. You get me? I was gonna place it below this fair value gap candle. I was gonna aim for 1:3, which was 1:3, which was here. You get me? So what would have happened is price would have went, let's see, would it have been, usually I put my break even to once price hit 50% to game. So let's see where break even is. Once price hit break even, that's where I put my price to break even. You get me? My trade to break even. So it would have traded here, it didn't hit break even here, so my stop loss would have been right here. Price came back below, it didn't hit me out as it didn't hit my stop loss. You get me? Came back above, so it was gonna hit my break even here, because once it passes here 50% level, especially after taking out this high, I was gonna place my trade to break even, come back here. So here it would have knocked me out, you get me, but still you haven't hit the original stop loss, but right now the trade would have been at break even, you get me. So yeah, man, that's what I think that is how I would have traded if I were to trade today, you get me. The reason I didn't trade, I thought it was CPR, but it's okay though, you feel me. I'll teach myself to check the news daily, basically, just to be sure, you get me. But tomorrow is PPR though, you get me. So I don't know if I'm gonna trade after or before. You're just gonna see, you get me. But this is the end of the video right here, you get me. This is how the day traded. It went below, took out the liquidity, this higher low liquidity, and this one before it can go above, taking out this high, creating a market structure shift right here, you get me. Creating a market structure shifts MSS, you get me. Leaving a fair value gap here, coming back inside that fair value gap, this is my strategy, you get me. This is my entry model right here, you get me. Give me a rejection, confirmation of the bullish, then I enter, you get me. So yeah, man, this is the end of the video. Thank you for tuning in and I appreciate your time.